Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the Snooz Sound Machine. Inside this video, we're gonna go ahead and test it out and I'll show you how it works. We'll go through the app and we'll test all the different variations in sound from the built-in fan within the Snooz. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Let's go ahead and talk about the build quality and how the Snooz works. First off, I've been using this for the past week and I love the authentic fan noise that the Snooz gives off. It doesn't sound like a weird looping noise that you may get from other electronic noise machines. This one is a fan that is constantly spinning, so it's going to give you that true fan noise. It is covered with an elastic cloth-like material, and this right here is going to be your fan. You'll notice that it doesn't produce any air outside of the machine. So if you're used to sleeping with a fan, but you don't want to experience that cold air during the winter time, you're not going to get that with this. You have only noise coming from the Snooz, no air. The Snooz is very simple to work. We only have 3 buttons here on the top, and you can twist and turn the body of the Snooz to change the tone of the fan so you can find the perfect tone for you. To turn it on, you simply just tap on the power button and it turns on. We also have 2 volume buttons, the volume down button on the left and the volume up button on the right. And you'll notice that it does get pretty loud. And if I want to, I can change the tone of the fan by simply just twisting the body from left to right. So that's gonna be your more deeper brown noise sound. And if I twist it the other direction, you're gonna get more of a white noise sound. But I love it right there in the middle because I feel like that is where you get the best sound. I love the turning mechanisms and I love how simple the controls are, but we can get more into those controls and the functionality of this by diving into the app. Now, when it comes to the Snooz app, it really does a lot for the noise machine. We can turn it on with this button right here. We can also turn down the volume, or we can turn up the volume from the app. You can also control the light here, and this is going to be the light that shows up on the power button and the 2 volume buttons on the side. And you can adjust the amount of brightness that you want, almost using it as kind of like a night light to see in the dark. We can also turn on night mode, which will shut off the lights no matter what. So even if you touch it in the middle of the night, the lights won't turn on. We also have a scheduler here, so we can do a fade in, a fade out. We can set a timer, or we can do specific days. So let's go ahead and say for a Monday, I want to turn it on and I want it to start at 10 p.m. and I could stop it at 7 a.m. and we could do a fade in and a fade out. So it will gently fade in at 10 o'clock p.m. and it will gently fade out at 7 a.m. We also can control all of the different settings. So we have a sound meter set up that we can calibrate. We also have a fade time, so we can control this. We can do a fade time of a minute all the way up to 10-minute fade time. And we can check for software updates. So there is a ton that you can do here, as well as name your device. I named mine Sleeper, and really you can control everything from your phone. So if your phone is plugged in next to you while you're sleeping, and this is at the foot of the bed, you never really have to touch it. You don't have to get up to turn it on. Everything is controlled from the app. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Snooz Noise Machine. I feel like it creates a realistic fan noise that you can use instead of a fan during the winter time. I myself have to sleep with a fan. It's a must, and having something this compact and portable makes it really great for me to take on trips to different hotel rooms to mask out noise around the hotel. One thing I will say about this is you don't want to set it on your nightstand. You want to put this at the edge of your bed on the floor because it's going to create more noise in the room. And I've really noticed that for me. I noticed that it was too harsh of a noise when it sat on my nightstand, but when I put it at the foot of the bed on the floor, it created a much rounder sound that filled the entire room. So I would highly recommend this machine by Snooz. I think it is a great machine if you're looking for an authentic fan noise without the air. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. If you're interested in more product reviews and product comparisons, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. My name's David, and I will see you guys when I release my next video.